Hello, it's me, Marisha. Welcome to my world. Today, I decided to show you how to prep your nails perfectly. So, if you guys are interested, please stay tuned until the end of this video and keep watching. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss my new uploads. And now let's begin. Okay, so here I have this old foil on my nails, which lasts for a very short time, unfortunately, and after a couple of minutes, I decided to remove it. So anyways, first step is to remove old nail polish, and you can do this with either nail polish remover or pure acetone, and either cotton ball or a cotton pad. I'm gonna be using both, but I don't have acetone right now, but I have nothing against it. You can use acetone, but make sure to moisturize your natural nails afterwards. And you can also put cotton balls on each of your nails soaked with nail polish remover. It does work, but I think that it's better to rub and just kind of, get the nail polish off of your nail instantly. Plus, if you don't want to waste your cotton ball and nail polish remover, just go from the cuticle area towards the tip and remove old nail polish. If your nails are too curved, if your nails C curve is too strong, like mine, you may be struggling to get the nail polish off of your nail. So you can also use Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover to go around your nails and the size of your nails to remove nail polish better. And be sure to clean the entire nail for perfect looking manicure. Also, don't forget to clean the underside of your nail as well. Okay, now we're all cleaned up and it's time to file our nails. But before we do that, it's good to moisturize your cuticles, epinecums, and your nails. I'm using a cream that I put in little bottles so that I can moisturize my natural nails with that. You can also use oil for this. Here I'm using my 100 and 180 grit nail file. You can use higher than this, but not lower than this. And the lower the grit, coarser the file. You should be sure to pay attention to your nail file, because if it's too low grit and too coarse, it may actually break your nail, but I've never had accidents with it. So next we should use cream or oil to moisturize our natural nails again for pushing back our cuticles. Well, pushing back your cuticles is something that can be done every week. It's not necessary to do it every single day. Do not use cuticle nippers. Actually, it's not cuticle nipper. It's epinecum nipper, but they don't know. Dead skin is cuticle. Cuticle is not live skin, and epinecum shouldn't be cut. Just put it in your mind. Okay, next is push your cuticles back. Well, yes, you should do that. But again, as I mentioned earlier, it's not important to do this every single day. But once you do that, your nail looks much better, and plus your mani will last for a much longer time. To remove your cuticle, you can use rubber cuticle pusher, but for me, rubber cuticle pusher is not really doing anything. It's just pushing back the epinecum, live skin, and I just cannot scratch the cuticle and actually get it off of my nail. So I think that metal cuticle pusher is pretty effective, but just be sure to not to damage the epinecum. And a wooden cuticle pusher is much gentle on your nail than metal cuticle pusher. Choice is yours, but you can always use your own nail to do that. Okay, now last step. Last step is to remove extra oil from your nails. Even if you don't actually moisturize your natural nails, which is so bad, you still have some oil on your nails and it should be removed because that's the reason why polish starts chipping so early. Nail polish doesn't stick to the oil, so it should be removed. I sometimes use alcohol pads, which are 7% isopropyl alcohol, and I really love that. So I sometimes use that. I use one pad and it works fine. But you can also use nail polish remover or again pure acetone. And after that, after you actually paint on your nails, it's good to again hydrate your natural nails and moisturize it again, because now you're doing the complete opposite of moisturizing. And that's basically what I wanted to cover for today's video. And it's important to know what to do in between manicures, and that's it. That's how you prep your nail. There is really just 5 steps to do that, and it's quite easy. And at the end, you can just go ahead and paint your nails with base coat and then do nail art on them. I have tons of tutorials on my channel, so you can go check that out. I hope you really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. You can comment your video requests down below, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Farewell.